Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your PS5 controller to PC using Bluetooth, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your PS5 controller to your PC using Bluetooth, start by ensuring that your PC has Bluetooth capabilities. If it does not, you may need a Bluetooth adapter. Next, turn on your PlayStation 5 controller by pressing the PlayStation button in the center. Hold the Create button and the PlayStation button simultaneously until the light bar begins to flash. This indicates that the controller is in pairing mode. Now, go to your PC and open the Settings menu. Click on Devices, then select Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device at the top of the menu. Select Bluetooth from the list of options. Your PC will begin searching for available devices. Once your PS5 controller appears in the list, click on it to connect. After a few moments, you will see a message indicating that the controller is connected. To confirm the connection, you can test the controller in a supported game or software. If you encounter any issues, ensure that your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. You can also try restarting your PC or the controller if the connection fails. Once connected, your PS5 controller is ready to use on your PC wirelessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.